Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the exact range that contains the quotation marks you want gone. Once done, make sure to copy the sheet or save a duplicate file so you can revert if needed. Then, decide whether you'll remove quotes everywhere or only in specific columns. Selecting the correct column now saves time later. You'll use either formulas or built-in tools, next depending on whether you need a temporary or permanent change. You can remove quotes by typing equals substitute A2 and filling down. This preserves the original until you paste values. Alternatively, use find and replace with Control plus H. Enter a double quote in find, leave replace blank, then replace all to change cells in place. Once you like the result from formulas, copy the new column and paste special values over the originals to finalize. Make sure formats remain correct after pasting. To finish, paste values over the original column so quotes are permanently removed. You don't want lingering formulas. If some quotes persist, check for curly or smart quotes and non-standard characters. Use clean or substitute targeting those specific code points. If replacement affected formatting or data, immediately undo or restore from your backup. A key troubleshooting tip: if find and replace misses items, inspect the cell with LEN.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.